This massive factory near Bengaluru produces a new car almost every few minutes. And the crazy part, humans don't do most of the work. Welcome to the Kia manufacturing plant at Penukonda near Anantapura, just a few hours from Bengaluru, one of India's most advanced automobile factories. This factory spreads across more than 500 acres and was built with an investment of around 1 to 2 billion US dollars. Kia entered India only in 2019 but scaled extremely fast. Now, here is the interesting part. Modern car plants like Kia use highly automated systems and robotic production lines for welding, painting, quality checks, and precision assembly. AI and machine vision help identify defects and maintain consistency that would be difficult with manual inspection alone. This factory can produce around 3 lakh cars every year at full capacity. So that's roughly hundreds of vehicles every single day rolling out from one location. So Kia's India business has generated billions in annual sales and company profitability has stayed strong with SUV-led demand becoming a major growth driver. From robots and AI-powered quality checks to producing lakhs of vehicles every year, this isn't just a car factory. It's a massive technology ecosystem. Would you like to see what happens inside each stage, like stamping, welding, painting, and final assembly? Follow for the part 2.